Let's harvest, shall we? I've been inside painting trim and I need a break. So let's see what we can get out of the garden together. Welcome to the jungle. You guys, it's so bad in here. Please do not judge me. Oh no, not again. You guessed it, more cucumbers. I don't know whether to be happy or if I should cry. And that's not even all of them. So some of my mini Romas have come in and I was not expecting them to be this tiny. These are itty itty bitty little Romas. They are literally the size of cherry tomatoes. I have so many cherry tomatoes that are ready. It's freaking ridiculous. But look at how beautiful. Look at this pretty gourd, you guys. These are getting so big. I have a big tomato down here. Come here, you. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look. So crazy story with these ones specifically because I couldn't remember where I had planted them in my garden. These are an extinct German variety of tomato that an old farmer gave my husband to give to me to save seeds from. He said his grandmother brought seeds over with her from Germany, like I don't even know how many years ago, and now I get to grow it in my garden. How cool, right? First yellow tomato. Look at how beautiful. Look at that. Look at this. This is some like tiger striped variety, but look at how big this thing is. This is my first year ever growing ground cherries. Oh my God. And the way that you know that these are ready is they fall on the ground and the papers get like more brownish color. I've never tried them before, so we're gonna try them together because you guys recommended that I grow them. Oh my goodness. Wow, you guys. That's like, sorry, I haven't checked on the plant for a while, so I have a bunch of them here, but it's like a cross between a cherry and a tomato. Those are really, really good. I'll take you. Beautiful. Ring, ring, it's me, pick up, hello. Okay, I had to come back inside because it was freaking downpouring. I managed to grab this behemoth of a freaking zucchini and a little basket full of a bunch of goodies.